everyone, my name is Joy, licensed nail technician, and I'm going to show you all how to use a French manicure pen. So I have my French manicure pen here, and then I have just a little sheet of paper that I'm going to be using to blot. So these actually tend to dry up at the tip a little bit quickly, so you want to shake it up. And then before you start doing your French manicure, you want to test it either on a paper towel or just on a little sheet of paper. So you want to press down, make sure that it's flowing, and ours is, so everything is good. And make sure that the tip is covered with the white polish. And then what you want to do is literally just go from one side to the other of your nail. Make your straight line there. And then if you make any mistakes, you can easily just go along the edge, clean that up. If you have a nail brush, dip it in a little bit of nail polish remover, make everything straight. Okay. And then ours is just a little bit thin here, so I want to go back and add a little bit more just to make it brighter. Okay. You can stop there, or you can go ahead and do a really sheer natural coat over the top just to kind of soften it a little bit so that it's not such a bright white. But we're actually going to leave it white like this, and then what I'll do is follow up once it's dry with just a regular clear top coat just to make sure that we seal in the French manicure. So there you have it, how to use a French manicure pen. And again, my name is Joy. Hope this helped you all out.